Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shan. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make my buffalo wings. So stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make some buffalo wings, but I'm doing it my style. I'm gonna fry my wings instead of baking them in the oven. So I've got like 1 pound of chicken here, some chicken wings that's already cleaned and washed with lemon or lime with vinegar. So now they're here. I'm just going to season my chicken and then we're going to go on and fry our chicken. So on my chicken I'm going to put my blended seasoning. So this is my blended seasoning with thyme, pepper, scallion, onion, and all of that goodness. So I'm going to put, that's 1 teaspoon. I'm going to put 3 teaspoons of that. And then I'm also going to put some all-purpose seasoning. Sprinkle a bit of all-purpose. I'm going to put some paprika. And I'm also going to put some chicken seasoning, not a lot. So I don't want it to be too salt with the seasoning. And I'm going to put just a bit of salt. Not too much either. And then I'm going to go in with my hands and season that. I'm going to rub all that seasoning in. So these wings are great for like an appetizer if you're having like a small party. So these are nice appetizers to please all your guests. You guys should check out my other wings that I've done. I've done some lemon pepper wings. Definitely check those out. I've got some other recipe on my channel, so go and check those out. So these are nicely seasoned, so I'm gonna let those marinate for about an hour or so, and then I'll show you guys how I fry them. Okay guys, so this has been marinating. So now I'm going to add some corn flour onto it just to give it some crispiness. I'm going to sprinkle some corn flour. Coat all of that over to onto the chicken. And this is the messiest bit, just to get some crispiness on my wings. This is why I've added the corn flour, just to get some crispiness. So that's all rubbed in and coated on the chicken. So now I'm going to fry my chicken. Okay, in my wok I've got some oil. I've turned my stove on ahead, so the oil's pretty hot. As you can see, it's bubbling in the bottom, or bubbling on the bottom. So now we're going to add our chicken into that. I'm going to add my wings. I'm just going to add one more. So I'm going to let this fry. Okay, I'm just gonna turn and put my wings. Time to remove our wings. Okay, so my chicken wings are finished and I'm now gonna make the buffalo sauce. So stay tuned, let me show you how I make my buffalo sauce. Let's make our buffalo sauce. So in a same pot or wok, I'm gonna add my buffalo sauce. So I'm using the Frank's hot sauce. You can use whatever hot sauce you want. I've just added some water in it. I'm gonna shake it up and add it on there. And now I'm gonna add some butter. Add some butter. A bit of paprika. A bit of salt. Not a lot, just a tip. And then I'm going to stir it up. And just to cut the spiciness a bit, I'm going to add some honey. So I'm going to add some honey. Just to cut the spiciness. Give us a bit of a sweetness to our wings. Let that melt and simmer down just a little bit before we add our wings. My heat is on low. Let that simmer down. Okay, so it's now time to add our wings to our sauce. You don't have to do it this way. You can always just pour the sauce over the wings. But I'd rather do it this way. It smells so lovely. And then we're just going to toss all that sauce over the wings once we put all of it in our pot. I'm just gonna toss it all over. And there you have it, my buffalo wings. Look at that. Look at that. My camera isn't showing it the redness of the sauce, but I promise you guys it's nice and red and gorgeous, smell amazing. Look at that, beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. As you can see, it looks amazing. It tastes even better. This is how I make my buffalo wings. Please leave a comment below on how you make your buffalo wings. I know some people put it in the oven, but I decided to try it this way and fry my chicken instead. It tastes amazing. It's still got its crispiness as well, and it is gorgeous. I'm having mine with some sour cream dip. You can have it with any dip you like. Leave a comment below of what dip you like to have with your wings as well. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Please remember to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a comment, hit up that notification button, and I will definitely see you guys on the next one. And also leave any comments on what video you'd like to see me make. And thank you guys, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.